Have you ever wondered how these delicious looking crab sticks are made? They may look simple on the shelf, but their journey begins far out at sea. Inside each stick has a soft layered texture that looks surprisingly like real crab meat. But how does a giant crab become these familiar red and white sticks? Let's follow the entire journey from the ocean to the factory. It all begins with fishermen heading into the open sea. After hours of waiting, a huge crab trap is pulled from the water. The fresh crabs are carefully placed into holding tanks. Back at the harbour, the catch is unloaded and prepared for transportation.
The user wants me to transcribe an 8-second video scene based on the provided descriptions and prompts.
Crates filled with the fresh crabs are loaded onto waiting trucks. The trucks then begin their journey to the seafood processing factory. Once they arrive, the crabs are moved quickly into the receiving area. They are placed into large tanks before processing begins. First, the crabs are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, sand, and debris. Next, they are steamed in huge industrial cooking vats. As they cook, their shells turn a bright orange red. After cooking, the crabs are removed and placed on cooling racks. Workers carefully crack open the shells, one crab at a time. The valuable white meat is then carefully removed from the shells. The salted meat is collected in large clean containers. The empty shells are separated and collected for other uses or disposal. Every batch of meat is inspected for quality, color and texture. After inspection, the meat continues along the production line. It enters a powerful grinder where the meat is turned into a fine paste. Soon, the crab meat becomes smooth and ready for the next stage. Now, starch egg white and carefully measured seasoning are added. Large mixing blades combine everything into one smooth mixture. The mixture slowly turns into the soft paste needed to create the final product. Quality control workers check the texture to make sure it's just right. Once approved, the mixture flows through pipe towards the shaping section. It is temporarily stored in large tanks ready to become crab sticks. Another quality check confirms the mixture has the right consistency and elasticity. Now the transformation really begins. The paste is pressed into thin sheets by an automated production machine. A thin red layer is added to create the familiar crab stick appearance. The sheet is then carefully rolled into a long, colorful stick. This newly formed stick enters a steam tunnel for further cooking. The mash cooked, firm and ready for cooling. A cooling tunnel quickly brings the temperature down. Next, the crab sticks are automatically divided into portions. Each portion is sealed inside clean protective packaging. Labels are then added to identify and prepare the product for sale. And there it is, the finished crab stick ready for the market. Workers perform one final inspection before the packages leave the factory. Thousands of finished parts move towards the packing department. They are carefully placed into large delivering cartons. Now the cartons are stacked onto pallets and moved towards the loading area. And finally, the journey is complete from the ocean through the factory to the finished crab stick, ready to reach consumers. From seed to shelf, every stick passes through a remarkable journey.